I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select SureCart for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Here need the app API key for authorization. To get API key, please visit the SureCart. Click the new API key. Give the meaningful token name, then click Create. Now copy the token and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the action. Now map the field. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to SureCart settings and select the connection. Now copy the token and paste it here, then click Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Also, go to SureCart and check the customer is listed or not. Here is the customer coming into the SureCart form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.